Many people dream of moving to the UK, but most visa applications are rejected due to simple mistakes. If you're planning to apply for a student visa, skilled worker visa, or any other UK visa, pay close attention. Today, I'll share the top 5 mistakes that get UK visas rejected and how you can avoid them. Mistake 1: weak financial proof. One of the biggest reasons for UK visa refusals is weak financial evidence. You need to prove that you can support yourself during your stay, including tuition fees, living costs, and other expenses. Even minor errors in bank statements or outdated documents can lead to rejection. Tit. Submit clear, official, and up-to-date financial documents. Mistake 2: incomplete or incorrect application. Filling out the UK visa application incorrectly is very common. Even a small mismatch in your personal information, job history, or education can be enough for refusal. Tip: double-check every detail, match all documents with your application, and avoid rushing. Mistake 3: fake or misleading documents. Some applicants submit fake documents to strengthen their case. This is extremely risky. The UK Home Office has strict verification processes, and being caught can result in permanent refusal and bans. Tip: always submit genuine, verifiable documents. Honesty is critical. Mistake 4: weak study or work plan. For student or skilled worker visas, you must show a clear purpose for being in the UK. Vague or unrealistic plans can make officers doubt your intentions. Tip: write a strong statement explaining why you want to study or work in the UK and how it fits your future career goals. Mistake 5: ignoring previous visa history. Your past visa or travel history matters. Previous refusals, overstays, or incomplete departures from other countries can negatively affect your UK visa application. Tip: be honest about your history and explain any past issues clearly. UK immigration can be complicated, but avoiding these 5 mistakes will significantly increase your chances of success. Remember, submit genuine documents, check every detail, and have a clear purpose for coming to the UK. For more real UK immigration updates, tips, and guides, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.